Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. Billionaire Satpal Khattar has bought 2 lakh shares of a small cap company involved in the seeds business at Rs 493.11 today via a bulk deal on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Harshita Investment Advisory Limited was the seller with 2 tranches of 150,000 shares sold at Rs 493.12 and 502.71 respectively. Now, for those of you who do not know who Satpal Khattar is, he is an Indian-born, Singapore-based lawyer, businessman and community leader known for his services to the Indian community in Singapore. He is also one of the most accomplished investors around. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is Nath Biogenes India Limited, which is available at Rs 504.50 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is NATHBIOGEN. Now, Nath Biogenes India Limited is engaged in the hybrid seeds business. The company is engaged in the business of production, processing and marketing of hybrid and genetically modified seeds. The company's segments include agricultural activities and trading activities. Now, the 1-year chart shows that this company was on an uptrend for about the first half of the year. Then it seems to have formed something which resembles a double bottom formation. The market cap of the company is 958.75 crores, which means that the company is a small cap one. The EPS of 18.55 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 27.20, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 25.37. The book value here is 246.91, which translates into a price to book ratio of 2.04, which is not wildly expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0689, whereas the return on equity for this stock is 0.0762. The company does not yet pay out any dividends and the promoter holding is below average at 40.69. Now friends, please don't just jump in. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.